you planning to buy a phone this festive season? What is your budget? Is it between 15 to 20,000? What are your options? An iPhone? Not possible. Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi, these Chinese companies, not your taste? Well, then I have a good news for you. Samsung, the tech giant, is coming up with a phone that's going to fit your budget and satisfy your needs. Let's dive into this video and get to know about Samsung Galaxy F34 5G. We have some exciting news coming straight from Samsung. Get ready as the Samsung Galaxy F34 5G is all set to make its debut in India in the first week of August. Previously rumored to be rebranded version of the Galaxy A34 5G, this phone is packed with impressive features that are sure to catch your eye. Let's dive in and explore the details of this upcoming device. Samsung has officially announced that the Galaxy F34 5G will be launched in India on August 7. And hold on, we have some juicy details about the price too. A promo image suggests that the smartphone will be priced at around Rs 16,000, making it an incredible value for money. The Galaxy F34 5G is confirmed to come with a stunning 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. Not just that, brace yourselves for an incredible refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, providing you with a buttery smooth scrolling experience. The phone boasts a peak brightness of 1000 nits, ensuring crystal clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Plus, it comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, keeping your screen safe from scratches. Get ready to capture your memories in stunning detail. The Galaxy F34 5G sports a powerful triple rear camera unit with a whopping 50-megapixel primary sensor, complete with optical image stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky photos and videos. On the front, it features a 13-megapixel camera, ensuring you look your best in selfies and video calls. Worried about battery life? Fear not. The Galaxy F34 5G is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, keeping you powered throughout the day and even beyond. Say goodbye to frequent charging and stay connected, entertained, and productive all day long. This phone is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. It is expected to run on the latest Android 13-based One UI 5.1.1 out of the box, providing you with the latest features and enhancements. Plus, with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space to store your files, apps, and games. Need more storage? There's also a 256GB variant available. Express your style with the Galaxy F34 5G. The phone will be offered in two captivating color options, electric black and mystic green. Choose the one that best reflects your personality and make a statement with your smartphone. And there you have it, folks, the Samsung Galaxy F34 5G, a feature-packed smartphone that's ready to elevate your digital experience. With its powerful camera, massive battery, and stunning display, it's set to be a game changer in its price range. So, mark your calendars for August 7 and get ready to grab this amazing device. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay tech savvy and stay connected.